Hey guys, hi YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for a product that I really love. I've been using this product since last year. If you've ever been on a hair journey or some kind of you have hair goals and stuff, you've probably looked at hair growth products. There's so many different things out there. There's oils, there's vitamins, there is like certain moisturizers and shampoos, conditioners like they're supposed to help with growing hair. Yeah. So, sometimes you're walking around the aisles and you're like, I wonder if this works. So this is one of the reasons I wanted to do this video because it's so many products out there and it's really nice sometimes to come and look at reviews and then kind of have an idea of how something works. And sometimes not everything works for everybody. You have to keep trying until you figure out something. So far I love this one and I had to talk about it. This is the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. And it looks like this. I got this from Walmart for about, like, I think almost, it's pricey. I think almost $7 or so. This is supposed to promote thickness, strong, healthy hair, thickens and strengthens weak, damaged hair, shea butter, vitamin, and botanical thickeners. It tames frizzies and adds shine, helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. I'm not going to say that my hair grew longer from this product, but there's a couple reasons why I love it so much. So it's supposed to thicken weak, damaged hair, safe on relaxed, weaved, and braided hair, and colored hair, and all that stuff. It helps, yeah, it says thicken damaged hair in the back. And it has all this nice herbs, shea butter, and stuff like that. It moisturizes dry scalp, and thinning edges, which is it's a struggle for a lot of people, and temple areas. So yeah, I started using this product last year. A lot of people did scare me that, after you had a baby, you were going to experience a lot of shedding, which I didn't really experience. My hair actually was fine. So that's one of the reasons I started doing this. I bought this because I was like, okay, I wasn't really doing too much to my hair, as far as like paying attention to it, but I did try every so often to remember to put this on my hair. So far, I've been basically rocking crochet braids for the past year or so. It feels like it. I really haven't done weaves in a long time. I haven't had braids and stuff like that. It's mostly crochet braids. So whenever I have crochet braids, I always make sure to go into my scalp with this and massage. And basically, this is what I've noticed. When I take down my cornrow from the crochet braids, I've noticed that my hair is stronger. My hair looks shinier. My hair doesn't shed as much. Whenever you have a protective style of any kind, your hair does shed, but before it used to shed way more. Now I've just noticed that it sheds a little bit. And like when I wash my hair, I just noticed that my hair looks decent. Like, I don't have to do too much like detangling like I used to do before when I took down braids and stuff like that. I've just noticed that my hair is just easier to detangle as I'm conditioning and washing it and stuff like that from using this. Um, when I said that it didn't really grow my hair, it basically helped maintain whatever length I was gaining. So now I stretch my relaxers almost 4 months, and I've noticed that I do get good length, but at the same time, I don't lose it. Because before I would just kind of gain length and I lose, or I have obstacles where things would come up, and then it's like we're back to where we were. So with this, I've just my hair's just been really stronger. Um, my hair is shinier. My hair is a little bit easier to manage. And I've just noticed that with anytime I take down any kind of crochet braids. So this product is something that I would really recommend. Like, try it out. And you can even use it as an hot oil treatment. They have a little instructions in the back here that tells you how to use it as a hot oil treatment. Um, yeah, I mean, it has a lot of like different chemicals. It's not like a natural product or anything, but I really like it a lot. I'm just amazed at how I'm able to maintain length because my hair is not shedding or breaking as much whenever I have protective styles. I like how my hair it looks healthier, from it. Um, so whether I'm gaining length from it is just because of those reasons, but I would say that I'm also doing other things with my hair. So I'll do an update video hopefully later on because I want to be 4 months post relaxer, so I have to wait a little bit. But I've noticed that. I've noticed that my hair is just doing way better with this oil. So I would just recommend it to you guys. Try it out and let me know if it does work for you. Yeah, hair update video. My own hair is coming up soon because a lot of people are asking me for that. I'll definitely post that video, but I have to wait until I have to stretch my relaxer, so I have to wait a little bit. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.